Guys, this is an absolutely huge update, and it's going to change the way we watch baseball. If you have the Apple Vision Pro and an MLB TV subscription, you are in for a treat. All of the baseball fans out there, get ready for an amazing 3D hologram view live of the games you want to watch. Okay, guys, so when you first enter the MLB app, you're greeted by being inside their TV studio. Now, you can click on the schedule, see all the different games that are playing today, or you can go back and watch a game replay. Let's see, we'll resume because I was already in this game watching a little bit. So it's going to load straight into the stadium, and the view is absolutely spectacular. Check this out. Now, I do want to rewind here because this should be really, really epic. Look at that. Beautiful home run in the Guardians home opener for their first at bat. You can see the guy running, celebrating, the pitcher masked in disappointment. And here we go. You can see up there now, 1-0. And I'm not sure how you guys were able to see the TV screen because normally when I'm recording, it blocks it out for copyright purposes. Now, here's a really cool thing. You can actually change where you're at. So here, we're behind and off to the side of the batter. Then if you click onto the TV in the back, you can change. So we're going to go from the left to the right. And we can see here from the right. And it's beautiful how you can see the box and exactly where the ball goes in, so you can see if it's a strike or a ball. Beautiful. So now, my favorite, well, hold on. We'll go to mid-home first. So here you're right behind the action. Then we'll come to the pitcher's view. Now this is really cool. You're behind the pitcher, and you can turn all the way around and see everything. Now, we're going to see my favorite, which is the strike zone. So with this, you are right up close. I mean, just how cool is this? It's as if you're like a 40-foot person sitting right behind the catcher. This is absolutely fantastic. One of the coolest things. You can also adjust so that this will go up and kind of out of the way, and then that way you can see what the players are doing in the background there or in the outfield. So let's watch another pitch here. Now, what's really neat, you got the box score off to the side, and you can change whether you want to see it or not, and then you can also go through to see more statistics. Over here, you got your little play-by-play. You can get rid of it, and that's about it for that side. Up top, you got the scoreboard. Down here, you've got the action right in front of you. Now we'll watch another pitch here. Oh, it's so cool. Now, as we come in here, you're going to have a bunch of different options. So you can actually take the data offset. So when you adjust this, up on the screen, you can time this so that the action happening on the 3D models in front of you aligns perfectly with the TV. You can hide the detail panels, you can hide the 3D stats, and you can change the players into markers, which this is not nearly as cool as actually having the players in 3D. And let's see, we can also change your video broadcast. So if you want the Guardians or the Mariners broadcast, You can select different radio feeds. So if you want to listen to the game, get rid of the TV, and then just watch them, you can do that. You can switch to Multiview. Now, right now, there's not any other games going on, but we'll go ahead and we'll do the Cleveland. You can't see anything. But you can have actually up to 5 games going at the same time. Oh, there we go. We got a hit there. Foul ball. Let's see. You can do audio only if you'd like to do that. You've also got where you can hide spoilers in case you're watching a replay. And then you can watch the onboarding, which is just a little tutorial, show you all the different things that you can do in there. So for me, I really enjoy the view from right behind here. It just makes it really exciting, almost as if you're at the game. It's just a really cool view. And then if there were other games going on, you could have other games in the background playing. This is just a really amazing way to watch the game. It reminds me of the NBA app's tabletop mode. It's not as cool as the immersive with the Lakers games. That would be really, really nice. I would love to see something like that. But this by far is so much better than just watching TV. And it's going to be really hard for you guys to get an idea of how amazing this is just watching it on a YouTube video. When you're actually immersed in this, it's unbelievably cool. Like, this is one of the neatest things I've ever seen as far as sports go. And I really wish Apple would do something like this with Major League Soccer and also Formula One racing, because they have the rights to all these. This is just absolutely cool. And we can just kind of speed forward here, get a little action going on, hopefully. See, I think we're in a break here. So this is just honestly a lot of fun. I'm not huge into baseball, but this might really get me wanting to watch a lot of games this year. And I really can't wait for the postseason now. Like, it's just, yesterday was opening day, and I'm already psyched for this year. And again, I'm not really a giant baseball fan, but watching it like this is absolutely unbelievable. I really wish you guys could experience this. If you're a baseball fan, and if you have the Apple Vision Pro, and you subscribe to the MLB TV subscription, this is just the coolest way to watch baseball that I've ever seen, other than being right there in the game. So I want to kind of back out of the game here and show you guys a few of the other things that they have. And I'm not sure if it's going to allow me to play this for you guys, but when you're on the home screen here, you can scroll across and there's a spot where you get 3D content. So it won't actually let me capture because of copyright infringement, but they've got some amazing spatial moments in baseball, and it's really, really cool. It's like you're right there. And I hope one day they actually start recording games live in this spatial format, because it is super cool. But for now, I will absolutely take these 3D holographic games and enjoy the heck out of them. You guys, if you're baseball fans, you have to give this a try. I'm telling you what, I have been thoroughly impressed, and I was not expecting it to be as cool and as fun as it is when you're actually in it. I know it doesn't look as great being 2D on a YouTube video, but I'm telling you, for all of you out there with an Apple Vision Pro, try this out. And if you guys decide to order the MLB TV subscription through the Apple Vision Pro, I want you to just keep in mind there's no free trial. However, if you go to your team's website, you can order your MLB TV subscription through there with a free trial. I didn't see how long it was. It might be a 3-day, a 7-day, a month-long trial. But if you're on the fence and you're not really sure, or this is the first time you've ordered Major League Baseball streaming, it might be a good idea. Do it with the free trial. Then you can test it out, see how much you like it. If you don't like it, go ahead and cancel. But if you love it, You got a little bit of time for free. So with that, I hope everybody enjoyed the video. I really would like you guys to like and subscribe if you want to keep up to date on smart glasses and really cool XR and AR news and events and reviews as they come out. With that, everybody, have an awesome time today, and I'll see you in the next one.